News 2 at 10.
We begin tonight with a car part that could be a new piece of evidence in the mysterious death of a 5-year-old boy from Dickson County. Welcome to News 2 at 10. I'm Bob Mueller. That piece of metal now being investigated by the Dickson County Sheriff's Office in the case of baby Joe Clyde Daniels' death. But whether it has anything to do with the 5-year-old's death is still unknown. News 2's Brooke Reese spoke with a private investigator who has been combing the area for any new evidence.
A discovery made on the side of the road near the Daniels property on Thursday afternoon is now being evaluated by the Dickson County Sheriff's Office.
The reason why I'm here was for baby Joe and to continue on with trying to find out where he's at.
Private investigator David Marshburn says while looking around on Garners Creek Road, he found a piece of metal.
After I called law enforcement, they came out there, took it over, and then I don't know what they got after that.
Detectives sat down with Marshburn to discuss his involvement with searching for more clues in this case and told News 2 they'd look to see if the piece that was found had anything to do with baby Joe.
They were very receptive and open to what I had to tell them.
Marshburn said he's previously had a complaint filed against him while working on the case, which affected the time that he had to search in Dickson County. Marshburn has a history of working on missing persons cases across the country to find remains.
A lot of people say, well, isn't this convenient that it has happened at this time? Well, I can't help it. I live in North Carolina, and I only have a few days left here in Tennessee until I cannot come back.
Marshburn says he wants to help find more pieces to this puzzle.
If it's not, and I have to keep going, I'll keep going.
And that's exactly what Marshburn says that he plans to do. He says he will keep searching for a body as long as he is legally able to investigate baby Joe's disappearance. Now, Dickson County Sheriff's Office detectives say that they do not know if that piece of metal will result to anything, but they are looking into it. Bob.
Thank you, Brooke. Marshburn has been connected with other investigations across the country. In 2018, Marshburn found what he believes to be the remains of a man who disappeared 4 years prior in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today, bizarre behavior by Joseph Daniels during his son's disappearance was the focus of attention today in court. TBI agent Zachary Burkhart testified that on the morning Joseph Daniels reported his son missing, Daniels called Nashville State Community College to get a copy of his transcripts. Daniels also started driving away from his home as investigators combed the area looking for his son. Burkhart described this as odd behavior.
Now, some of this, and he's free to do what he wants, but there are some oddities in that when your child is missing.
Okay. So what do people and what should they do when their child is missing, when they're staying in the house waiting on the news? What should they do that wouldn't be nefarious or odd to you?
Personally, I would not call Nashville State Community College while I'm out trying to find my son.
2 days after he reported his child missing, Daniels confessed to fatally beating the 5-year-old. He later recanted that confession. News 2 is tracking this trial gavel to gavel. You can watch our live coverage live from the courtroom at WKRN.com.